Hello, my name is Nancy Stevenson, and I'm going to show you how to plan and develop an e-learning course. There are 5 basic steps to creating an e-learning course. Step 1, analyze the problem and set your training goals. Step 2, design the solution. Step 3, develop the course using your desired tools. Step 4, implement the course by rolling it out to learners. And step 5, evaluate the course. That is, determine if it met your original training goals. Step 1, analyze. During your analysis, the first question to consider is what problem are you trying to solve with your training? For example, do you need to improve safety at your organization? Do you need to protect confidential information? Or do you want to change company culture? Other questions should include, what are your training goals or objectives? How do you want learners to demonstrate their knowledge? The answer to these questions will help guide you. Step 2 is design. In this step, you'll plan the content as well as the look and feel of your training. You may work with a subject matter expert to develop the content and a script. How do you want to tell the training story? Is your story linear, or can the learner explore different paths? You may want to create a storyboard or flowchart to lay out your ideas in an organized way. What do you want the training to look like? What mood do you want to create? Inspiring, cautionary, playful? In any case, you'll want to create a palette of colors for your e-learning course. You may want to use corporate colors, logos, and fonts for a consistent look and feel across courses. You may also want to create animated or photorealistic characters to make your training more engaging. Step 3, develop. In this step, you'll use your preferred software tool like Vyond or Articulate to build the e-learning course. Depending on your content, you may want to include games to engage the user or quizzes to check for understanding. You may want to include charts or graphs to portray important information. You'll also need to consider audio and video. Do you want to use voice actors or computer-generated voices for narration? Step 4, implement. Once you've built your e-learning course, you should test it thoroughly with subject matter experts, managers, and a small group of learners to ensure that it is accurate and meets the targeted learning goals and objectives. After you've verified that it meets your learning goals and objectives, you'll roll it out to a larger audience. You can upload it to a learning management system to help with enrollments and tracking course completions. Step 5, evaluating the course. Once you've rolled out the course, you need to determine if it meets your goals and objectives. Determine whether the course changed learner behaviors or contributed to corporate goals. You'll want to quantify the results if possible. For example, if your aim was to improve workplace safety, has that goal been met by reducing the number of accidents per month or increasing the number of days between accidents? A successful course will have a positive impact on your organization. Thank you for watching this video on how to create an e-learning course.